जय श्रीमन्नारायण. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता सेकंड चैप्टर सांख्य योगम 11th श्लोक. Sri Krishna Paramatma is saying to Arjuna, "O Arjuna, there are some learned people. They know about the very nature of body, very nature of Atma. They know body is different from Atma. They also know that no way we can keep the body permanently. They also know that no way we can destroy Atma. They also know that we should not be crying for body because it is useless. We cannot keep the body permanently. They also know that we should not be crying for Atma, but because there is no need of crying for Atma. If someone knows all about this, they are known as Panditas, scholars, learned people. But here, if I come to you, you also have been speaking all these words. Whatever now so far you spoke to me, you mentioned that Swargam, Narakam, Pitru Devatas, Tarpanas and all these Pinda Pradhanas. That means you have an idea about that body is different from Atma. But in your action, you are not showing what you know. You are crying for what you should not be crying for. You are crying what you don't have to cry for. Like this, Krishna Paramatma is saying to Arjuna, having this meaning running in our thoughts, thinking that we are sitting at the feet of Krishna Paramatma in the shoes of Arjuna, and also visualizing that Sri Krishna Paramatma giving Gita Amritam to us directly. Let us now chant the sloka. Asocyan Anvasocastvam Prajnavadamscha Bhashase Gatasun Agatasumscha Nanusochanti Panditaha. Om. We are trying to pick one point from each sloka so that we can try to practice that moral in our day-to-day routine. It doesn't mean that there is no other meaning in that sloka. There is so much deep meaning in each and every sloka of Bhagavad Gita, but to our possible extent, we are trying to pick just one point. In the same process, here the moral from this sloka that we can understand and practice in our day-to-day routine is whatever you speak, try to practice the same. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma from 18th chapter, from 65th to 69th sloka, Krishna Paramatma recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me. Keep inculcating love and devotion towards me. Keep on dedicating all your actions to me and keep saying Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Keep on thinking that you are my belonging. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Do not cry anymore. Keep reading at least one Gita sloka every day. Keep spreading my Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee and I shall take care of you. I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, I shall definitely try to practice whatever that I speak. O Srimannarayana, I shall always think about you. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on inculcating love and devotion towards you. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on dedicating all my actions to you as your service and keep saying Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking that I am your belonging. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall read at least one sloka, Bhagavad Gita sloka every day. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. Srimad-Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad-Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava-sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Suka Maharshi. Yam pravrajantamapeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Srimannarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. Suta Maharshi is saying to Saunaka and other Maharshis, O Maharshis, Sri Krishna Paramatma is now entering into Dwaraka Nagaram. That Dwaraka is decorated with all kind of great things. Sarva Vibhava. It is glowing with all kind of decorations. Gopura Dwaramargeshu Kruta Kautuka Toranam. That Dwaraka, everywhere, wherever main gates, wherever main entrances, wherever Gopuras are there, all the people, they tied beautiful Toranas to all those entrances and main gates. O Maharshis, wherever you see Dwaraka is filled up with variety colorful flags in order to welcome Sri Krishna Paramatma. They also put top cloths so that there won't be any sun rays falling on Sri Krishna Paramatma. O Maharshis, Siktam Gandhajalai-ruptam. In whichever the ways, whichever the streets Krishna Paramatma is going to be coming, those streets are everywhere they spreaded all kind of waters mixed with beautiful, wonderful perfumes and scents. Everywhere the fragrances filled up in those streets in which Krishna Paramatma is going to be coming. O Maharshis, and also all those streets are filled up with so many fruits, so many flowers. Not only that, every home they are ready with Purna Kumbhaihi Dwari Gruhanancha. Every home they made Purna Kumbham ready. Dhupa Deepakaihi, they made Dhupam ready, Deepam ready for Krishna Paramatma. All the homes are ready with Purna Kumbha Swagatam, to give Purna Kumbha Swagatam to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Because everybody likes Sri Krishna Paramatma. Krishna Paramatma is loved by everyone. The entire Dwaraka is now ready to receive Sri Krishna Paramatma with a warm welcome. Not only that, O Maharshis and all the great people, Vasudeva, Akrura, Ugrasena, Balarama, Pradyumna, Charudeshna, Samba, all these, the leaders of the Dwaraka, they all came to know that Krishna Paramatma is coming. Then immediately with all of their amount, the so high amount of happiness, in whichever the activity they were there, they just gave up those activities. Sayana, Asana, Bhojanaha. Some people were sleeping, they immediately got up. Some people were relaxing, they immediately got up. Some people halfway through their eating, they also got up. Everybody, they immediately made arrangements for all Mangala Vaidyas, Nadaswaras, Senkhaturya Ghosha, such a beautiful instruments they made ready, and they collected all the Veda Pandits. Veda Pandits started doing Veda Parayana. Along with Veda Parayana, along with so many auspicious sounds and Nadaswaram and so many great leaders and so many people having a beautifully decorated one elephant going in front of them. Such a beautiful, wonderful procession going towards Krishna Paramatma to receive Krishna Paramatma, to disclose their warm welcome to Sri Krishna Paramatma. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishnena amarasatravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 2nd chapter, 11th sloka. Asocyan anvasocastvam prajnavadamscha bhashase gatasun agatasumscha nanusochanti Panditaha. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.